Wind, one of the 5 elements that make up Mother Nature. It gives as it takes, a creator and a destroyer. For centuries, man has been successful in harnessing the power of wind to suit his needs. The true search for wind as a source of power generation began in the early 1880s in Europe. From 2004, the market for wind energy has grown at an average of 27% the world over, thus underlying its importance in the energy sector. The Government of India has acknowledged the importance of renewable energy and has formed a special ministry to focus and develop the renewable energy sector for the growing demand. Today, India has a wind energy potential of 102,000 megawatt. The Centre for Wind Energy Technology (CWET) has already identified 233 sites with wind power density of more than 200 watt per square meter, and thus the present installed capacity of 16,084 megawatt of wind energy is poised to grow and achieve the expected potential for the utilization of 102,000 megawatt in the next few decades. To promote more investment, the Government of India has offered various incentives like tax holidays, generation-based incentives, renewable energy credits, etc. The renewable energy scenario in Maharashtra is one of the most promising. Being the first state to offer a realistic tariff to support and encourage the IPPs, it has become a torchbearer for other states to follow. We at Panama Wind Energy Private Limited are geared up to meet the challenges of the wind energy sector.
Project Sky is situated on the barren hilltop of 1270 acres which falls in the district of Satara, the state of Maharashtra. This particular area is often called as the Sahyadri wind zone, which is blessed with good winds having 6.9 meter per second as the recorded wind speed at an 80 meter hub height.
Initial technical survey revealed suitable land of 525 hectares from 9 villages. We began our land acquisition in April 2010 and completed it in December 2011 for all 45 private locations. In India, land acquisition is an intricate business as it has to deal with incomplete land records, defective ownership. As such, you require core team of people who understand land acquisition process, regulatory permissions required for the same. Because of our strong team of people, we could overcome these challenges and complete the land acquisition successfully.
The third important element is the technology which we, based on our experience and the know-how, we choose GE India as our partners in supplying and delivering the 60 windmills constituting to 96 megawatt, each of 1.6 megawatt.
Comprised into 2 phases, the first phase of 35 megawatt and the second phase of the 65 megawatts, whereas 45 turbines are in the private land and 15 turbines are in the forest land. Panama has already started the project last March 2011. We have already constructed the 220 kV transmission line, the 220 kV EHV substation and the 33 kV transmission line. Advantage of project is that we are now ready with the foundation for the phase 1.
The load flow study was engaged with Power Research and Development Center, and subsequently the Maharashtra State Electricity Transmission Company done a load flow study and offered a grid evacuation to the tune of 100.8 megawatt.
To evacuate that 100.8 megawatt, we are constructing a 220/33 kV substation, which is located in village Nerle. So this substation is one of the biggest substation in wind power sector in Maharashtra. So we are constructing 220 kV/33 kV substation with 100% redundancy. Substation is designed with main control room and bay control room system, which will give accuracy in terms of fault locations. And this is designed with full SCADA system, which is controlled in the main control room and SLDC in Kalwar.
Panama has played its part in providing community service to the area in which it operates, and the work is still continuing.
The local stakeholders are important for us, and we believe that the project cannot be happened without the involvement of the local stakeholders. The success of projects lies in the teamwork. We are working as a team, and definitely we win a Panama team.
Due respect and due involvement of the local stakeholders is being done on every aspect, which includes infrastructure, medical, education, and involvement in the local employment that the company can offer to the locals.
Whatever being construction is provided, the 30% to 40% is the contribution from the locals.
Panama Wind Energy Private Limited is thankful to Berkeley Energy for its continuous support and guidance, and for the trust it has kept on the team. Its rich experience of having delivered over 115 renewable energy projects and over 70 conventional energy projects throughout the world has helped us to learn and gear up to deliver truly world-class projects in India. We are also thankful to all the investors in the Renewable Energy Asia Fund for their continuous support to the fund. We also thank our lenders, Standard Chartered Bank, Rabobank and FMO for the first project funding of its kind for a large wind IPP in India.
On behalf of Panama Wind Energy Private Limited, I'd like to thank all of our promoters and investors for the faith they have kept in the project. Earlier in the year, we have achieved first of its kind, a non-recourse financial close for the company. Panama Wind Energy is aiming to change the way IPPs do business in India. And with the continued support of our investors, we'll add several more of these first of these kind achievements.
We are thankful to all our consultants and suppliers involved in the Sky project.
At Panama Wind Energy, we all share a common vision and mission to create a portfolio of world-class projects and create value to all our stakeholders. We all are focused and passionate with this vision. Apart from our present 100 megawatt project, we have already started working on our Project 2, Project 3 and Project 4, comprising of 80 megawatt, 50 megawatt and 100 megawatt respectively. This will bring out our entire portfolio to 330 megawatts by the year end 2015. With this concrete plan, we have a vision of achieving 500 megawatt of installations in the next 5 years.
Panama Wind Energy Private Limited, harnessing nature for you. Panama Group is a young, diversified group of companies with interests in wind energy, agribusiness, homeland security, water management and construction. The team at Panama, true to the company's enterprising spirit, is committed to creating a sustainable ecosystem of technology, development and infrastructure to meet the diversified needs of communities.